Everyone thinks this is Miami, but this is actually Da Nang in Vietnam. Think sleek skylines and pristine white signs, but way more affordable and infinitely more friendly. In this video, I'm covering everything from where to find 5-star luxury hotel without breaking a bank, the freshest seafood, authentic Vietnamese cuisine, to how to experience the real magic of Da Nang in your next holiday. Let's go! We are staying at the TMS Hotel Da Nang Beach. It's a modern 5-star hotel sitting right on the famous Mickey Beach. The moment I sit down in the lobby, they welcomed us with the fresh drinks and warm towel. They even greet us with flowers. How sweet is that? Thank you. I have always heard that the service in Vietnam was unbeatable, and within less than an hour of arriving, I am already a believer. Their rooms range from $50 to $150 per night, depending on the season and the room type. For 5-star beachfront locations, this is an incredible find. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is crazy. Too. The hotel also has a rooftop restaurant, so you don't even need to leave the hotel for good Vietnamese food. Honestly, if I could wake up to this view every single day, I can't imagine having any kind of anxiety in my life. Just when I thought the moment couldn't get any better, I had the best coconut coffee in my entire life. It was rich, intense, and with a perfect balance of sweet and bitter. Ooh, the coffee is quite strong. Yeah, let me mix it. Oh, so strong. I like it. I also had this amazing salmon roll. You can just taste how fresh everything was. The sweet prawns, the crispy veggies, all wrapped up and perfect with the chili dip. I am in heaven. So nice. So nice. I also have to try their beef pho. It's tender, juicy beef in a deeply umami broth with the noodles that have just the right bite. Let me try this one. Oh my god. Why do I leave it here? And all those amazing food with this gorgeous view cost less than $20. The price in Vietnam is insane. A major perk of TMS Hotel is their in-house spa. It's open to public, but the hotel guest can get a 2-for-1 special deal. We got an hour of full body massage for about $20 for 2 person. The price is insane. And after the massage, they also serve complimentary tea and sweets. I walked out feeling completely zen. I was really falling asleep. Oh, so cute. What is it? Is it mochi? Oh my god, I feel like I'm princess. This finger looking good. Oh my god, it's so nice. And you can't really see the end of the beach. The wave is so big. Of course, TMS Hotel has a rooftop pool that looks out over the endless Da Nang coastline. It's the ultimate spot to just sink into the vacation mode. Like many hotels in Da Nang, TMS includes breakfast, and theirs is seriously good. You get a full spread of both Western and Eastern options. Sushi. We have sushi. But the real star is the live station where they cook fresh pho in front of you. It's amazing. As amazing as the hotel food was, the real culinary adventure in Da Nang is out in the street. So we left our beachfront paradise to hunt down 4 spots that you absolutely can't miss. Da Nang is a beach city, and it will be a total shame not to try some of the best, freshest, and most affordable seafood while you're here.
Yeah, let's try it.
We're at Haisama Kuan Da Nang, where you literally pick your catch of the day straight from the tanks. You choose your seafood and you choose how you want it to be cooked.
Okay. Oh my god. I'm so sorry.
While we're waiting for crab and lobster, I had this amazing dragon fruit juice. You can just taste how fresh and fruity it is without any extra sugar. I also tried their fresh vegetables. I have no idea what kind of sauce they use, but I've never liked vegetables this much in my entire life.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
Oh my god.
The wait is finally over. We had the lobster in the garlic and butter sauce and this huge beautiful crab smothered in golden salted egg yolk sauce. And don't worry if you don't know where to start, because they'll literally crack and cut everything for you. I feel like such a princess in Vietnam.
Oh my god.
Yeah, had it.
Crab. It's really good with the salted egg yolk.
The meat was unbelievably tender and juicy, and the sauces were so addictive, we ended up wiping the plate clean with rice.
I wiped everything like a hurricane.
And this whole feast cost less than $40. This is insane.
This one?
If you're looking for some authentic, traditional Vietnamese dish in Da Nang, you have to visit Cuốn Da Nang. The space is beautiful, filled with cozy greeneries, lanterns, and bamboo accent in this charming, rustic Vietnamese style. We start with fresh mojito. The food here in Da Nang is like nowhere else. So naturally sweet and vibrant. Then came their special platter. It has 4 different snacks served with tangy fish sauce and tamarind dip.
Thank you.
Pork, I think. Pork or beef. Yeah.
The star, however, is their bánh xèo. It's a famous Vietnamese crispy pancake, and this was actually my first time trying it. This is how you eat it. You lay down some lettuce and fresh herbs like mint and basils on a sheet of rice paper. You tear off a piece of that crispy pancake and you wrap it all up. And then you dip the whole bundle into that sweet, tangy sauce, and then you eat with your hands and just wait for that incredible mix of crunchy, fresh, savory flavors to hit.
Oh my god.
My favorite.
Oh my god.
We also had their shrimp. It's perfectly cooked, juicy, and they cracked it open for you, of course. But what amazed me the most is this golden buttery sauce. It was so good with mandu dip in it.
That's so nice with the sauce.
All of this came to around $20. I was honestly in awe. A solid 10 out of 10 from me. If you fancy something other than Vietnamese, Da Nang also has a lot to offer. I went to this Japanese spot called Umidakaya and tried their fresh sushi and delicious ramen. Meal is so good that I forgot to film much, but I had to show you my first sake bomb experience. Here's how it works. The waitress balanced a shot of sake on top of 2 chopsticks laid across your beer glass, and then they hype you up, you bang on the table, the sake drops in, and you chug on it.
1、2、3、鮭、ポン、鮭、ポン、鮭。Oh my god!
I'm so Oh, thank you. How fun is that? But if you're feeling lazy and don't want to venture far from the TMS hotel, you're in luck. Just 1 minute away, there's a small nameless store run by 3 lovely ladies, and it serves the best banh mi I ever had. It has a perfect crunchy bread and is packed full of fillings. Oh, so good. And beyond all those incredible foods, Da Nang is full of adventures. Think relaxing, affordable full-body massages for just $20, hiking up Marble Mountain to see the intricate sculptures and 360 breathtaking coastal view, or joining a local food tour for the most authentic experience. I'm covering those in upcoming videos, so subscribe if you don't want to miss out. Thanks so much for joining me. I will see you in the next one.